Hello everyone, welcome back to the Algebra 51. The SAT challenge. Question number 1 today is going to be 5x plus 3y equals 4. Then find 32 to the x power times 8 to the y power. Now that sounds like it might be very, very hard, but it's not really that hard. Sometimes if you can't figure out what the problem is, just kind of play around and manipulate things and maybe you can't do anything with what's going on over here. There's not a lot you can do with what's going on over here, but you can look at maybe this and maybe this. So let's try one of those. Let's take 32 to the x power and look at 8 to the x power. And if we notice, 32 and 8 have something in common. They both have a base of 2 that can be made into an exponent. Let's try one. We'll come over here and put 32 to the, we'll put 32 to the x power times 8 to the y power. Now, if we break this down, 32 is 2 times, over here we got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That right there is going to be 32. So it's 5 of them, so it becomes 2 to the 5th power, and this is all taken to the exponent of x. Now, the next part is 8. Now, 8 is a little bit easier because it's only 2 times 2 times 2, 3 of them. So it becomes 2 to the 3rd power, and this is all to the power, to the exponent of y. Now, the next step here is going to be this is going to be an easy one here. Now, if you look at 5, now the rule about exponents, when you take an exponent of an exponent, you multiply the exponents. So this becomes 2 to the 5x. Something's starting to form here. Keep going. Now, the next thing, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to multiply the exponents together because an exponent of an exponent is multiplied. So it becomes 2 to the 3y. Now we're starting to see something really form. Now, just if you haven't seen it, that's okay. You will. Next step, moving on over, we're going to find the answer. So this, now when you multiply two things with the same base, you can do that. These exponents here, they're going to get added together in this case, not multiplied, because they're not exponents of each other, they're multiples of each other. So this will become 2 to the 5x plus 3y. Now look at that. Right here, 5 to the 3x plus 3y, and look right up here, 5 to the 5x plus 3y. Now, both of these are exactly the same. Well, we know that it equals 4. So just replace the answer with 4, 2 to the 4th power. That has got to be one of the easiest things to evaluate. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. And that's your answer. And that's all there is to it. Sometimes, and as scary as that problem looked, it only took me like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, maybe. I just copied the problem right here. And in the end, I just did 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, maybe 5. You can call it 5. But it's, I mean, come on. Easy as pie. Thank you very much.